We're in Mapaso Falls here in Mainit, Surigao del Norte. So may susi pool sa dito, but hindi ganong yung susi pool is 1.5. This one is high sulfur, no? Hindi siya filtered, no? So marami daw mga ailments, no, na cure. Dipping is take you 10 to 15 minutes lang, no, because high sulfur. So what was given to us kanina by the local tourism employee, itong ano to, itong what we call this water, no, from this creek comes from yung Mainit Falls upstream. So, malinis to kasi wala namang ano to, walang mga residences, no, sa taas ng bundok. And what I observe here is yung, if I'm right, yung tuog tree, no? One of the oldest trees. But ito parang juvenile pa lang to eh, bata pa lang. What we saw yung doon sa San Francisco, parang mabot ng yung diameter parang 3 to 4 meters, malaki. So ito yung high sulfuric na pool, no? If you want, marami daw sakit na pwedeng i-cure dito, no? Of course physical ailments, no, not mental ailments. Sabi, joke nga kanina, pati daw mental ailments ma-cure dito. This one, itong big na ano to, big na parang PVC hot water, kuya, di ba? This is hot water. Yung kabila is cold, no? Neutralize niya kasi kung pure lang siya na hot, super hot talaga daw to, yung area na to. So I had my 10 to 15 minutes na dip here so far, no? I felt lighter, hindi ka lang. We drove all the way from Cantilan, 2 hours drive from Cantilan in Surigao del Sur to here in Mainit in Surigao del Norte. We're visiting yung mga less traveled, but dapat i-promote. Malaki to siya na area. Na itong pool lang to, this pool area is yung sobrang init daw, no? This one yung dito kami. Hello muna, wave.
Hi.
How's your review of the pool?
So hot.
Ito yung kwan nila, oh. Mga ano to? Mga host, no? Nag-supply ng different pools doon, you have a dozen pools, no? So, ideal for kids, hindi masyado mainit. Meron din dito na area. So private is susi pool pala ito dito, 1-2. Yung sa kabila, grupo sila, you can rent. Okay, masarap ng pakiramdam. Now again, pakita ko sa inyo yung what I suspected to be yung tuog tree, but juvenile pa to, no? Yung nakita namin San Francisco, yung malaki pa talaga, no? Times 10 taller, siguro times 5 to 10 taller than this one. Okay, nature tripping kami. So we'll be, after this we'll be driving pa, going to San Francisco or Bayugan.